Hi, my name's Rhodes. I'm the Heritage Venue and Events Manager here at the Royal Victoria Chapel, and I'm here today to talk to you about our amazing Raise the Roof fundraising project. Raise the Roof was a fundraising initiative that was a partnership between the Friends of Royal Victoria Country Park, who are a volunteer group here at the park, and Hampshire County Council staff who are based here, so our Countryside Rangers and events team. It took place over 2 weekends in July, and our aim was to fundraise as much as we could to support the conservation and restoration work taking place here at the chapel. So over 2 weekends we expected to maybe make £1,000, £2,000, we didn't really know. The project was, the idea that we had for the project was that members of the community and visitors to the park could come in, paint a slate, decorate it however they wanted, and then we would take it up onto the roof and install it with all the other roof slates. So we had a supply of, we thought about 1,000 slates, but we didn't really know how many people would come, and in the end it was incredible. It turned out to be such a popular event. We had over 1,000 slates sold. We actually ended up at one point having to have a huge JCB truck come over from the building site and deliver an extra load of slates to our event space. So that was fun, guiding a JCB with a huge crate of slates onto it. But it was just amazing over the 4 days of the event, seeing how many people were coming and the memorials that they were writing on the slates, the dedication to family members, to football teams, to the memories that they've made at the park. It was just it had a really good community atmosphere, and it was such a fun project to be part of, just to see how much the park and the chapel means to the local members of the community. We have an example of the slate that we used to raise the roof. So these are the size of the slates that the public decorated. This was one that we designed ourselves in the office to promote the Raise the Roof event, but all the tiles, all the slates on the roof are this size. These were the slates that the public were decorating, and it sort of gave them the once in a lifetime opportunity to make their mark on the chapel, and then we laid them face down. So this is the side that forms the outside of the roof, completely protected from the elements. The slates were varnished so the patterns and the designs won't disintegrate over time, and laid face down like this so the rainwater will just slide off. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content from the park.